Hi, this is Professor Barati welcoming you to ACC 660 Strategic Cost Management Graduate School. The class begins on the 23rd of July, but as scheduled, July 9th is the published date. So starting tomorrow, on Monday the 9th, you will be able to get into Canvas and review the class. So what I'd like to do is just give you a quick syllabus view of the modules. For week 1, we have chapters 3, 4, and chapter 5 that is due. And in each module, there is going to be a discussion. And so what I recommend you do is review the videos, which will be very helpful. For example, this is a video on how to do the statement of cost of goods manufactured. Most of the videos are from myself that I've done over the years, and some of them have been selected basically on YouTube that I prefer. And so if you go into the module again, excuse me for a moment. There's a welcome. Again, what I would do is look at the learning objectives and the lecture notes that are attached. For example, I've downloaded lecture notes from the book that I think will get you very quick access to the important information you need if you choose not to read the book, which could be time consuming. And so these are some of the features that are in these modules. You have videos, you have access to lecture notes. Every module will have a discussion, so you are to participate in these discussions, and basically 2 to 3 follow-up posts will be very helpful. And here is a rubric which basically is based on a point system. If you do basically 0 points if you don't really contribute anything, and mastering the topic will get you 5 points, 4 points, 3, 2, 1, and so on. So I would read the rubrics and approach your discussion based on the rubrics criteria, knowing your theory, being able to convey your ideas effectively. Your writing ability is very important in a discussion, so no big run-on sentences. Watch your grammar, watch your spelling, use paragraphs. Participation, again, look at how it's graded. To get the highest grade, you want to be very active in participation. I am not really going to count follow-up posts that say great job, loved your post. That really doesn't count as a participation post. Many times I will give you follow-up posts myself in the discussion that asks a critical thinking question. So if I see that the discussion is really getting to be basically great job, loved your post, that type of thing, what I'll do is add a critical thinking post. So you can answer that and focus on the topic again. That will help you quite a bit. So looking at, again, at the module, You're going to have discussions. You're going to have assignments. The assignments are not in here, Canvas. So what I'd like you to do is go to register with McGraw-Hill. And in McGraw-Hill, you will have access to the assignments. If you look at this link, I've sent everyone this link through the announcement. That link should get you registered into the class. This is your ebook, Cost Management, Edward Bloger, 7th edition. The ebook will give you some good reading, or you can purchase the textbook at the Longmeadow bookstore, which I've ordered from the bookstore. I think most students will be okay with the ebook and the lecture notes and the videos, as the textbook is very expensive. Typically, you'll go into a chapter here and there'll be 5 questions. So right now it's not showing me because the due date is 9/9. So as of tomorrow, you'll be able to see that. But just to give you a preview, you'll get questions. They are algorithmic, so students will get different questions. And I will be grading on a weekly basis. So back to our Canvas. A couple other things I'd like to point out is in week 1, which is July 23rd, you want to have your first week done. If you start on July 23rd, you will be a week behind. And it gets very, very difficult because we're doing about 3 chapters a week. Week 2 is chapter 6, 9, and 7. Again, discussions and assignments usually with most chapters. Week 3, we focus on budgeting and a case study. The case study is done in Connect. I have attached a case study here as a reference, but you are to do it in Connect and upload it into Connect so I can grade and make comments. Week 4, again we have chapter 12, Theory of Constraints 13. Again, use some of the videos that I've attached to help you. Operational Performance is week 5. This is where we're going to do variance analysis, a comprehensive variance problem. There are videos to help you through it. Again, and then week 6, the final week, further analysis on productivity and sales. And you want to just read these. Chapter 16 does have an assignment, and based on that assignment, you're going to have a case study for number 2 on variance analysis. And then week 7, we're going to learn about management compensation, business analysis, and valuation, with some assignments for chapter 20. It looks like week 7 does not have a discussion. And then finally in week 8, case study, business analysis, and business valuation, how to value businesses. There'll be a relatively short case study due. Final presentation is the case study. Again, no discussions that week, so you can focus just on the case study. So I look forward to working with you for the next few weeks. I look forward to you enjoying this class and getting some really good business analysis. Basically learning some good business analyses for your career. So Monday is opening day, and I wish everyone the best of luck. Thanks.